Good evening, travelers. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my tavern. Welcome to my inn. Good evening, travelers. What can I do for you? Good morning, travelers. What can I do for you? Good day, travelers. What may I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you, travelers? It's a great place. You'll find warmth and comfort here. We have nice cozy beds to sleep in. You'll get very good rest. You can dine by the fire. We have a nice warm fire, cozy beds. You won't find a place more comforting than this. You'll get your much needed sleep. You'll get your much needed rest. We'll have breakfast ready for you in the morning. We'll have breakfast ready for you in the morning as well. Thank you. Thank you again. I hope your stay is lovely. I hope your stay is great. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the night. Good day. Good night.